मैंने नया फोन खरीदा है। I have bought a new phone. I have bought a new phone. वह बहुत तेज दौड़ता है। He runs very fast. He runs very fast. हमें हर दिन कुछ नया सीखना चाहिए। We should learn something new every day. We should learn something new every day. मेरी बहन बहुत समझदार है। My sister is very wise. My sister is very wise. मैंने तुम्हारा पत्र पढ़ लिया। I have read your letter. I have read your letter. वह हमेशा मुस्कुराता रहता है। He always keeps smiling. He always keeps smiling. यह मेरी पसंदीदा फिल्म है। This is my favorite movie. This is my favorite movie. उन्होंने हमें नाश्ता कराया। They served us breakfast. They served us breakfast. मैं रोज योग करता हूँ। I do yoga every day. I do yoga every day. वह इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है। He is trying to speak English. He is trying to speak English. मैंने उससे कुछ नहीं मांगा। I didn't ask him for anything. I didn't ask him for anything. वे हमें पहचानते नहीं हैं। They don't recognize us. They don't recognize us. वह अभी तक नहीं लौटा। He hasn't returned yet. He hasn't returned yet. मैं वहां कभी नहीं गया। I have never been there. I have never been there. उसने अपनी गलती नहीं मानी। He didn't admit his mistake. He didn't admit his mistake. तुम्हें डरने की जरूरत नहीं है। You don't need to be afraid. You don't need to be afraid. वह यहाँ काम नहीं करता। He doesn't work here. He doesn't work here. यह इतना आसान नहीं है। It's not that easy. It's not that easy. मैंने उससे कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा। I didn't ask him any question. I didn't ask him any question. वह परीक्षा में पास नहीं हुआ। He did not pass the exam. He didn't pass the exam. क्या आप मुझे पहचानते हैं? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Why are you so quiet? उसने क्या कहा था? What did he say? What did he say? हमें अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do now? What should we do now? क्या उसने मुझसे कुछ पूछा? Did he ask me anything? Did he ask me anything? हम कब तक रुकेंगे? How long will we stay? How long will we stay? तुम्हें कौन सी भाषा आती है? Which language do you know? Which language do you know? क्या आप यहाँ पहली बार आए हैं? Are you here for the first time? Are you here for the first time? यह कितने बजे शुरू होगा? At what time will it start? At what time will it start? क्या यह तुम्हारा निर्णय है? Is this your decision? Is this your decision? इसे साफ कर दो. Clean this. Clean this. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. थोड़ा इंतजार करो. Wait a little. Wait a little. आराम करो. Take rest. Take rest. अंदर आ जाइए. Please come in. Please come in. खिड़की खोल दो. Open the window. Open the window. आवाज कम करो. Lower the volume. Lower the volume. जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready quickly. Get ready quickly. मुझे यह समझाओ. Explain this to me. Explain this to me. सड़क पार करते समय सावधान रहो. Be careful while crossing the road. Be careful while crossing the road. जब तक वह आएगा हम निकल चुकेंगे. जब तक वह आएगा हम निकल चुके होंगे. By the time he arrives, we will have left. By the time he arrives, we will have left. अगर तुम जल्दी उठो तो दिन अच्छा गुजरता है. If you wake up early, the day goes well. If you wake up early, the day goes well. मुझे नहीं पता कि वह कहाँ गया. I don't know where he went. I don't know where he went. शायद वह अब तक आ गया हो. Maybe he has arrived by now. Maybe he has arrived by now. मैं जानता था कि ऐसा होगा. I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. वह कह रहा था कि वह माफी मांगना चाहता है. He said he wanted to apologize. He said he wanted to apologize. क्या तुम जानते हो कि वह कौन है? Do you know who he is? Do you know who he is? मुझे नहीं लगता कि यह आसान होगा. I don't think it will be easy. I don't think it will be easy. जब तुम पढ़ते हो तब मैं टीवी देखता हूं. When you study, I watch TV. When you study, I watch TV. जो भी हो, सच बोलना जरूरी है. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important.